Kaya namin. So, kami point. Ang sugit na. Okay, okay na. Maligin. Asa na maligin? Pick up na.
And as we are on a full flight, to accommodate all hand-carried baggage and to expedite our boarding process, we request everyone to prioritize the space under the seat in front of you for your small bags, plastic bags, paper bags, or any pasalubong boxes, and then big bags like trolleys inside the overhead bins.
Babaw man eh. Nawala na yung mga. Lagi na. Okay, so na ta sa tube.
May also request everyone to kindly safeguard all these items, especially hard objects such as glass, tumblers, and electronic devices inside your baggage before storing it in the overhead bin. In line with this, please take caution secure your carry-on luggage when opening the bins to prevent items from falling off. And to ensure that all guests are properly monitored, changing of seats is not allowed.
4A.
Stay in your assigned seat for the entire duration of the flight. Thank you.
Ay, 4 second. Second. Atong dek. Sige, saka. Saka. A.
A, B, C, and D po.
Di ka kilo. Di ka.
Yes, window seat. Pag-video there.